Hello. This is our first one for like a few weeks, so sus guys! But you haven't given us any suggestions again, and it's been 3 weeks. But we do have fun today.
We do, don't we, George?
We do.
We do. Shout out!
Shout outs!
To all the people over in the... Shout outs to Dom.
And then a shout out to Megan.
Yeah, shout out to Megan because it's the appropriate situation.
Yeah. Right, and I want to give a shout out to some guy who seems awesome and I've never met in real life properly, but still seems awesome. Zachary! He made a DS out of a calculator. I don't fully understand how that works, but he claims to have done it. And he seems awesome.
Well, about a few weeks ago, I ended up doing a web show with my new friends, Megan and Sean. Woo! And in the web show, we managed to prank call George. It was very fun.
I did know it was them.
Of course you did.
Yeah.
That's what they all say.
You called me, Megan called me and said, have you been recently missold PPI? And I'll admit that was good because I did think it was PPI woman, but then I just hung up. Then they called back, and when I realised it was the normal number, I said, hello, who is this? And then Megan says, we have Rhiannon at Tesco's tied to a trolley. If you want to speak to her, speak now. It's not a very good cover, is it? It's quite obvious it was Megan.
If you want to check out that video, we also did air hockey as well, and we did the 50 Shades of Grey challenge.
Look
that
at the link
was really funny.
below if you want to watch it.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Yeah, there's a link down there.
We managed to prank call George, and this is my idea. George has agreed to this. We are going to get revenge on Megan, and we're going to prank call Megan.
It brings me joy.
Look out, Megan.
She's not watching this.
She will do.
Oh yes, she will do. In your face, Megs! That was awesome. It like flew.
Oh wait, no, I can't do it on my phone.
Get the landline.
She's got my number. I'll just prank call her and it will say Rhiannon.
Hi.
Congratulations, you won a tiger. She'll be like, go away, Rhiannon.
The temptation is strong. The chicken will remain untouched. Today.
George, shut up.
Hey!
Look at my Dave Grohl top, it's amazing. Dave Grohl is the best person in the world. Okay, right, let's prank call Megan.
Let's prank call Megan.
Right, what?
She'll recognise your
Hello,
voice.
is this Megan?
Put on an accent.
Hello?
Hello?
To be honest, whenever you call me, I'm just like waiting until I figure out who it is. Even if we're like halfway through the conversation, I'll be like, oh, it's George!
Really?
Yeah.
Brilliant friend here, guys. Brilliant.
Oh, it's mine and Megan's friend, Brian. I don't remember calling him Brian. I don't
They
know
can't
if
see
can
the picture, by
yes,
the way.
Yes, they can. Shut up.
I'll put the picture in.
Okay.
The picture's going to be there now. Picture cool. Picture gone now. Ha.
Look at your name on my phone. It says George Fudge.
That's awesome.
And then you'll be like, congratulations!
That's going to be great. Congratulations. You just won a lifetime supply of fish.
Hello. We've just received information that you have, you've participated into a competition.
Okay, which competition?
There's a competition where you have entered to win a lifetime supply of pudding.
Rhiannon, I know this is you. I'm not stupid.
Oh, god damn it!
So is this like your idea of getting me back for that prank call for George?
Oh, yeah.
Say I'll pass you on to the manager.
That did not work, did it?
Nope.
Oh!
It's all your fault. I told you not to do it first.
Oh. No! Oh, that sucks.
That was a bit of a fail.
Yep.
Okay, right, so
Rhiannon ruined
Shut
the
up,
prank
George.
call to Megan.
Shut up! Okay, the prank call with Megan didn't go very well.
No, it didn't, did it?
And we're gonna call Sean now.
Sean was also in the
Yeah.
demonic prank call to my phone. So
Sean, Megan and me all teamed up on George and prank called him, so it's only fair on Sean.
Sean.
Sean!
Sean.
Welcome to Orange.
Oh no!
Oh, no.
The person you've called.
Right, do it again.
Welcome to Orange Answer Phone.
Balls!
Die.
Call is not available. Please leave your message after the tone. When you've left
Mute.
your message, just hang up or for
No,
more
I'm not
options,
gonna leave a
press
message.
1 at any time.
Hi! Okay, so no one is picking up their phone.
Okay, the next thing on our list is George eat a spoonful of something gross in Rhiannon's kitchen. This was actually my brother's idea, so...
Death!
I've just realised. My cat. I brought the cat up here for ages, remember, and he's still here. Where's my cat?
He's still under the bed. We captured a cat.
He captured my pretty cat. He's so pretty. No. No, don't leave me.
He wants to get out.
No, he doesn't.
He hates you.
Don't leave me. All my friends leave me.
Don't go. Don't leave.
I go online to Facebook and then Megan just goes offline.
Ah,
I'm just like, why do you leave me?
I do it all the time.
I'm not that annoying.
Oh, well, you can say that as many times as possible, but it may not become true.
Oh yeah, George, you still have to eat a spoonful of something gross.
Yes, that's what I've been trying to avoid.
Yeah, right, let's do this. Spoon.
Spoon! Spoon!
Spoon. Fish sauce.
No! No!
Marmite.
Ketchup.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
Don't do it.
3, 2, 1, go!
No, no, I want to see the list.
No.
Yes. I
No.
lucky.
I wish I had naturally straight hair. It's actually really, really curly and frizzy and horrible, and I hate it.
It's not always frizzy. It's never horrible, but it looks nice when it's curly.
I hate it so much.
It looks nice though. Fine, don't accept the compliment. That's what you get.
That's
No, no, no!
That's what you get when you let your heart win.
No, what have I done?
That's what you get when you let your heart win.
Could you at least sing it properly?
No,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
can't sing.
Yeah, that's right, guys. Rhiannon can't sing. She can't sing.
I can't sing.
She just can't sing. She's never sung to anyone before. She's never. No, singing's not a thing.
Can't sing.
No. Okay, my hair used to be. My hair used. hair used to be... You alright? You done?
Go.
So my hair used to be like, I never actually styled it whatsoever. I literally just had it like, it was shorter than this, but along those lines, just straight down. One day I'm gonna make when I get a haircut next, I'll put all my hair down and order Rihanna to curl her hair, and we'll show you what her hair used to be like a year ago. And I can see in the camera screen that she's giving me the look like she's about to hit me with a large mallet.
Okay, right.
Okay.
Sorry. Is that recording?
Yes.
I didn't realise that.
Well,
Okay.
everyone's gonna realise now.
That's brilliant.
Right, so thank you for watching this episode.
Whatever episode,
Yeah.
whatever number it is.
Well, thanks to the odd 70 fans we have, because we've just realised our channel has 500 views. Divide that by 7, because we have 7 episodes. 71.42857148571485271412857128571 and then it see if there's any more numbers. So
basically we
somewhere
have
out
about
there is like
70
half a
fans.
human who watches our videos. We expect better, guys. More suggestions, more t-shirt buying once we make them, which we
When's that
won't.
gonna happen?
It won't happen, but still, it could.
We're just gonna say bye now.
Yeah, but we need your support, guys. We could, like, be cool and have more views.
We love you anyway.
We love you. Bye. Bye.